Good morning, it's Wednesday, May the 28th, and you're watching AGORACOM TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halts, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got 4 great press releases to report on this morning, all from the Canadian side. I don't have anything from the U.S. to report on, and I have 4 halts to report on in the second segment of our program. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Top story I have for you: Keegan Resources trades on the venture under the symbol KGN, and also on the AMEX under the symbol KGN as well. They're announcing the results of 6 new step-out drill holes from their AGORACOM Gold project, which is located in Ghana. Holes were drilled 260 to 380 meters north of the main zone, which hosts Keegan's current 43101 compliant resource. Highlights from the program include 24 meters of 2.64 grams per ton of gold, 22 meters of 2.63 grams per ton of gold, and 56 meters of 1.22 grams per ton of gold. So great numbers coming out of the company. We've got a quote from the president and CEO, Dan McCoy, who states, "These drill hole results, which add hundreds of meters of strike length and down dip potential on the north end of the resource, provide additional evidence of the world-class potential of the AGORACOM Gold system. We will be working hard to continue to step out from known mineralization, to test new targets, and to continue our infill program in order to better define and delineate this growing resource." A little bit about Keegan Resources. They're a junior gold company focused on their wholly owned flagship AGORACOM and Asumuro gold projects located in Ghana, West Africa. The company is last at $3.77 off their 52-week high of $5.85. Moving on, Cantronic Systems trades on the venture under the symbol CTS. We've got results coming out of the company, both quarterly and fiscal year-end results. Their fiscal year ended January 31st, 2008. Financial highlights, which include fourth quarter revenues of $1.7 million, which were up compared to $1.2 million in the fourth quarter of fiscal 07, which was an increase of more than 33%. Revenue growth for the year was 92% to a company record of $5.9 million. Gross margins increased from 23% to 57%. And adjusted EBITDA increased to $1.1 million from a loss of $411,000 in 07. Net earnings were $485,000 compared to a net loss of $800,000 in 07. So the company has definitely turned it around. They've gone from losing to a winning year. Looks good. A little bit about Cantronic. They specialize in passive and active infrared cameras for homeland security and surveillance applications. They're trading at 24.5 cents off their 52-week high of 39 cents. Moving on back to the resource sector, I've got a joint venture press release coming out of this company, or out of these companies, Goldrea Resources and Molycor Gold Corp. Goldrea Resources trades on the venture under the symbol GOR. They also trade on the pink sheets under the symbol GORAF, and also for our European friends on the Frankfurt under the symbol GOJ. Molycor Gold Corp trades on the venture under the symbol MOR, on the pink sheets under the symbol MLYFF, and on the Frankfurt under the symbol MYV. And disclaimer time, Molycor is an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own. They've announced diamond drill results from their Empress molybdenum property, which is located 15 kilometers south of the past-producing copper moly Brenda mine. It's a 50-50 joint venture, as I mentioned, between the two companies. They've intersected near-surface molybdenum, or for short, moly. The drilling continues to expand the mineralized area, where previous holes from 2007 assayed up to 0.093% moly over 30 meters. Now, geochemical analysis results from the current drill hole program are as follows: 45 meters intersection of 0.075% moly, and within that intercept we have 6 meters at 0.138% moly, and again within that intercept we've got 12 meters of 0.112% moly. So great numbers coming out of the company. A little bit about the companies. Goldrea Resources is a mineral exploration and development company actively engaged in the acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral properties, and they are last at 20 cents off their 52-week high of 60 cents. And a little bit about Molycor. They're a multi-metal company with a focus on molybdenum and gold, and the company has 7 advanced state properties which are either 100% owned or joint ventured with Goldrea Resources Corp. Molycor's last at 12.5 cents off their 52-week high of 26 cents. Last one I have for you in the great press releases category, Marathon PGM Corporation trades on a TSX under the symbol MAR. They're reporting the latest results from their ongoing resource development drilling program at the Bird River project in southeast Manitoba. Highlights of the program include a 53-meter intersection of nickel, copper, PGM or platinum group metals mineralization, grading 0.82% nickel, 0.25% copper, and 1.15 grams per ton of platinum group metals. We also have a 7.6 meter intersection which grades 1.61% zinc, 61 grams per ton of silver, and 1.31% copper. It is anticipated that the NI 43-101 compliant resource estimate will be completed in Q3 or Q4. Got a quote from the president and CEO of Marathon, Philip Walford, who states, "Our ability to continually find mineralization like this is a strong endorsement for both the Bird River project and our exploration team. I am looking forward to the upcoming page and ore fault resource estimates. They will be very valuable in planning future drilling." A little bit about Marathon. They're development and exploration stage properties in southeastern Manitoba and western Newfoundland and Labrador. They're last at $3.43, off their 52-week high of $8.25. That's it for the press release portion. We're moving on to our halts of the day. 4 halts for you, as I'd mentioned. First halt I have for you. Sage Gold trades on the venture under the symbol SGX. They've been halted pending news, and they're an AGORACOM client. Roland Energy Inc. on the venture under the symbol ROE. They've been halted pending news. Union Gold on the venture under the symbol UN, halted pending news. And last but not least, Roscan Minerals on the venture under the symbol ROS. They've been halted pending news. And that's a wrap for today's show. You're watching AGORACOM TV with Paul Kandakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.